Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I made this earring. Very simple and very easy. And this charm, you can change this. That will match the color of your clothes. And I made several, and I made this is longer. So I made several colors. Then all I have to do is just remove this. Then let's say red. I like red for today. So this charm is longer. So if you want longer, and this one is short, so this is the one I'm going to make. I'm going to show you. So let's begin. Our materials, I have two colors of 11O seed beads. I have the gold and the silver, and earring hooks, jump rings, rondelle bead. I need two. So this is 6 by 8 millimeter. Headpins. And 8O seed beads. Also, 2 pieces of 2 centimeter chain, and my beading needle number 11, and I'm going to use this thread. So let's begin. First, I pick up gold seed beads, 4, silver, pick up 2 gold, down 1, up 2, pick up another 2, down 1, up 2 beads, pick up 2, down 1, up 2. So I'm going to do this until I have 22 rows of herringbone stitch. Then I pick up 8O, And I will also do the same here. Pass some beads, then make some couple of knots, and then I cut my thread. So this is done. I also made an extra one. So this is 8mm bead. So I will just measure 8mm. This is how I measure my 8mm length of wire to make a loop. This is very easy to make. So it's done. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.